Welcome to the future of travel. The 2025 luxury motorhome redefines on-road living with next-level style, space, and technology. From marble floors to smart control panels, this is luxury like never before on wheels. Imagine stepping into a five-star hotel, only it's on wheels. The 2025 luxury motorhome is the ultimate expression of mobile elegance. Designed for those who demand comfort and class wherever the road takes them. The exterior boasts a sleek aerodynamic body with full-body paint, chrome accents, and retractable awnings that give it a majestic presence. LED light strips run along the sides, giving it a futuristic glow during nighttime. But it's once you step inside that the true definition of luxury begins. The cabin opens up into a spacious lounge outfitted with genuine leather sofas, electric recliners, and hardwood flooring. A 65-inch smart TV, complete with surround sound. And hidden speakers creates a home theater experience. Ambient lighting lines the ceiling, adjustable through a central touchscreen panel. The kitchen rivals those found in high-end apartments, with quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in dishwasher. Everything is neatly integrated, offering style without compromising functionality. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, mood lighting, and a pop-up entertainment system. Underbed storage, full-height wardrobes, and cedar-lined closets ensure you never run out of space. The bathroom feels like a spa suite, with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and smart mirrors with anti-fog technology. Even the toilet is touchless with automatic flushing and seat warmers. One of the most impressive features is the full automation system. Lights, climate, blinds, and entertainment can all be controlled by voice commands or the mobile app. It even includes solar panels with a lithium-ion battery bank for off-grid, living without sacrificing power. The driver's cockpit is equally high-end, featuring a digital dashboard, air suspension seats, and advanced driver's assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and 360-degree cameras. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Multiple airbags, collision avoidance, and real-time tire monitoring systems make this one of the safest RVs ever built. Whether you're parked at a beach or cruising through the mountains, the 2025 luxury motorhome delivers unmatched comfort, class, and confidence. For those who see travel not just as movement, but as a lifestyle, this is the future you've been waiting for. The 2025 luxury motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a destination in itself. This is GYP Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews that bring the road to your screen.